Okay, assalamu alaikum. Okay, here you can see the following themes are installed but are incomplete. I mean, name, description, template is missing. Uh, s- Stand-alone themes needs to have a index.php. Okay, my theme css template file child themes need to have a template header in the style.css style sheet. Okay, here you can see there is no themes here, only for broken themes. I mean, which theme I want to create, there is no list here, only there is showing a broken themes. Okay, if you create a index.php file, let's see, let's go to our theme folder in our local disk. Okay, here you can see index.html. Okay, leave it. If you create a file as like this, okay, I mean index.php. Okay, if you just create a file index.php and change it. Okay, okay, let's see. After create a file index.php, let's refresh our page. Okay, template is missing stand. This error is showing again because of, here you can see we have created index.php, but there is two option which you are bound to follow. Okay, one is index.php file, you have to create this, and another is child themes need to have a template header. What is the meaning of template header in stylesheet.css? Okay, you have to create a file as style.css, and in this file you have to create a template header. You can see you need to have a template header in style.css file. Okay, let's see how to do this. I think all have a notepad plus plus. I am using notepad plus plus for basic theme. Okay, when I develop advanced theme, I will use another apps and the software. Okay, here you can see we have created only index.php file. If I create another file like, here you can see text document, and put our name style.css. Okay, if I just click this, here you can see, let's see, and refresh this page. You can see, my theme's name. Okay, my theme, but there is no image. Here you can see here is an image. Okay, but you can see there is no image, only here you can see theme details. Here if you hover this, here you can see theme details but no image here. And active 2017 my theme is there is no theme details here. You have, what you should do, okay, if you click this, firstly I'm showing this. If you click this, you can see current theme 2017 version 1.4. okay, by the WordPress team. It is the theme author. Okay, here you can see some description, some tags. Okay, but if you click this, click our themes, you can see there is nothing, only our theme name, my theme, but there is no version, there is no author, there is no description. Okay, I am discussing this again. Here if you click this, here you can see the theme name 2015 version 1.9 by the WordPress team. It is theme author. Okay, updated available for, because this notice is showing here. Here you can see some description. Okay, then here you can see some tags. Okay, if you want to make as like this, what you should do, firstly we have to add a thumbnail. I mean this image as like this image you have to add here. Okay, what you should do, if you just close this, here you can see. Okay, let's go to our folder. Okay, let's go. Here you have to create a file. Here you have to create a file I mean, here you have to put an image whose name is to be. Here I am putting a image here first. This is our template. Okay, I have to make an image from here. Okay, just read this. Okay, let's save our folder. C drive. Let's go local disk, jump, htdocs, maybe it a new folder, wp content, themes, my theme. Here you can see you have to okay, just save it first. Okay, let's go folder. Okay, you have to make the rename this folder name. Okay, you have to rename this folder name as screenshot screen shot screenshot.png or screenshot.jpg. Okay, if you rename a, if you make a picture here and rename this as screenshot.png or screenshot.jpg here, now you can see the magic. Okay, just refresh this page again. Here you can see this image is here. Okay, it is very easy, very easy. Okay, if you just, okay, I'm cutting this from here. Let's see it is showing or not. It is showing still here, but if I cut it from here and if I if I just cut it from here and paste it, okay, only for seeing, you can see there is no image here. Okay, there is no image here, but if you go again, just cut it and go out of themes and just paste it, you can see the magic. This image is here. Okay, and here you can see there is no theme details. Here you can see many theme details here, but if you click this, there is no theme details. How to add theme details, I will discuss this in the next tutorial. Okay, assalamu alaikum.